It's strange how you can wake up with 100% battery and feel empty by noon. Before your feet hit the floor, you've donated your focus to a screen, your peace to other people's problems, and your time to everything but your own life. It's time to wake up. Here's the trap. You've treated your energy like loose change. You say yes to every ping, every favor, every "can you just?" while your own dreams wait patiently in a dusty corner. You play support in everyone else's movie and forget you are the lead in yours. Meanwhile, your goals sit untouched, like a gift you never unwrap. You know that smile you paste on in public. I've worn it too. Crushed it at small talk, then later stared at the ceiling, asking why you feel so behind. Your calendar looks full, but none of it feeds you. You are busy, not building. Helpful, but hollow. And every time you ignored your gut to keep the peace, you paid with interest, fatigue, resentment, and a version of you that felt dull around the edges. Here's the truth. Your energy is your currency. Every yes is a spend. Every scroll is a swipe. Every "I'll get to it later" is a loan with brutal interest. No wonder you feel overdrafted. So do something radical in a world that worships available. Make yourself less available. Put your phone down and pick your vision up. Set a lock screen boundary. Is it urgent or just loud? Stop taking calls that cost you peace, missed opportunities. You realize you were not missing them. You were trading the right ones for the wrong ones. Dreams don't die. They fade when you stop watering them. So start small. 10 minutes will soon become 30. One habit will become a rhythm. Protect the morning like it's sacred because it is. Stop asking for permission to choose yourself. And know this, people who respect you will adjust, but people who used you will object. Either way, keep going. If you need someone to say it, I will. Saying no is self-respect in action. You're not selfish for protecting your time. You're strategic. Block the hours that build your life and guard them like rent is due, because it is. Unfollow the voices that drain you. Mute notifications that mistake urgency for importance. Walk away from relationships that only work when you abandon yourself. Your future self is watching, and it's begging you to stop wasting what you cannot refund. Today, choose 5 things you will no longer fund with your energy. Say no, out loud, with full stop at the end. Put your goals on the calendar first, not last. Treat your focus like VIP access. If it costs your peace, it's too expensive. If it dims your light, step out of the room. Stand tall, breathe deep, and take back your hours. You don't need a new year, you need a new standard. Look at me. If this hit you, if you felt seen, take this as your sign to stop waiting and start moving. Subscribe for more truth like this, because I'm not here to sugarcoat it. Drop a comment if you're ready to choose yourself, and hit that like button if you're done living on empty. Let's build the life you deserve, together.